students, in chapter number 2, our next topic is reproduction in plants. So here we will see how plants reproduce. Generally students, we have listened that when we grow seed, it grown into a plant after the process of germination. But it is not for every plant. Some plant reproduce with the help of their root, with the help of their stem, with the help of their leaves. We have read in earlier classes that plants can also grow from other parts besides seeds. These parts may be root, stem or leaves of the parent plant. For example, plants like rose grow from the stem cutting, plants like sweet potato and dahlia grow from roots plants, and plants like begonia and bryophyllum grow from leaves. A common example of plants that grow from stem is potato. We have seen in our house also we use potato, that is the stem part of plant. We already know that potato is an underground stem that stores foods. It has buds known as eyes on it from where new plants can arise. Potato is having eyes, from that new plants arise. We can see here picture of these sweet potatoes and this bryophyllum. So student, I hope you have understood about this reproduction in plant. Now the next topic we will see, that is crop and agriculture. Our next topic is crop and agriculture. Crop means what? What do you understand about crop? We can say that a field in which all plants of different kind can be grown, that is crop in our normal language, and agriculture where the food production process will be done, that is agriculture. So here we will study about crop and agriculture. Plants provide food, oxygen, medicine, timber, etc. to us. We grow plants on a large scale so that we can get enough food and other product to fulfill our needs. This practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other products is called agriculture. Our India country is doing this practice too much. You must have seen that plants of the same kind are grown in one field. For example, in a particular field we can see that wheat plants or only rice plant. We will never find that the plants of different kinds. These plants are known as crops because they are all same kinds of plants are there. The particular area in which crop is grown is called farm, and the person who works on a farm is known as farmer. So that farmer is doing the work of agriculture and planting crops. Crops, plants of one kind grown in a particular area at a particular time is called crop. We can say that. While growing a particular crop, the following point should be kept in mind. Before that, I would like to show you one picture of crop. This type of crop you have seen. In village we can see easily this type of picture. Now different crops we grow in different type of soil. These seeds should be sown in the right type of soil to ensure maximum production of crops. It is very important to use good quality of seed. It is too much important. Before starting to sow a seed, quality of seed should be very nice. We should see that, otherwise our crop will not be good or healthy. Different crops grow in different seasons. For example, some crop like rice and maize are grown in summer from June to October. That type of crop is called kharif crop. So students, here the crop which is grown between June to October and their production is rice and maize. It is kharif crop. Crop like wheat and gram are grown in winter from November to April, that are called rabi crop. So we have to learn these also, what are rabi crop and what are kharif crop. Thus it is important to sow the right seed in the right season. The field where a crop is growing should be properly irrigated, water, otherwise the crop may dry and maybe die. The crop is prone to damage by pests, birds, grazing animals and diseases. It can be protected in the following ways. We can see here one picture of proper irrigated rice field. Now here we will see the next topic, that is crop can be protected in following ways. In which ways crop can be protected? First is proper fencing. Proper fencing means fencing area should be proper fencing, otherwise any animals can come for grazing. Spraying chemicals like insecticide chemical and pesticides chemical. This type of chemical should be sprayed, otherwise pests can damage the field. Third one is using scarecrows. Students, sometimes you have seen in the field one type of scarecrow is there, like it is showing any man is there in the field. So all the crows scare because of that scarecrow, and no crow will damage the field. Next is storing the harvest crop properly. That whatever the crop like maize and rice, wheat we have harvested from the crop, that should be sealed in container, otherwise any moisture will be there and it may be bad for the crop, so it can give the harm to crop. So storing the harvest crop properly, sealed container. So I hope students you have understood these two topics, that is reproduction from other parts and crops and agriculture, and this part also that how this crop can be protected. We have seen here some points. So student, learn this and revise one more time, revise this all the points. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.